Today we are going to show you how to install the FS21 sensor. Step 1. Unpack the sensor, connect the antenna, and then charge the battery. If the orange light is on, it means it's not yet fully charged. Once the orange light is off, you can remove the cable. Step 2. In this step, you need to log into your FS21 account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by selecting Create an Account. Once you are logged in, you can start creating your fields on the platform. Step 3. For this step, you first need to choose the best location for your sensor. If the sensor is turned off, turn it on by pressing the button for 5 seconds until the light flashes green. Now scan the QR code on the sensor. After scanning, a link to our website will appear. Follow that link and log in with your FS21 account. Here you are asked to fill in all the details of the sensor. When the sensor has been activated, it can be placed in the soil. To do this, make a hole in the soil with a supplied peg. Make sure not to wiggle the peg around to prevent the hole from becoming too wide. Press the sensor into the soil. Do this with care. The probe of the sensor needs to be completely in the soil, up to the point where only the white casing is visible. To make sure the sensor is easy to find, put a marker next to it. Step 4. The sensor is now successfully installed. The first measurements will be visible on the platform after a few hours. Next time you log into the platform, you will have access to all the sensor's data. To learn more, visit our website at farm21.com.